this is Audra with Magnolia Street Garden. Today I'm in San Antonio, Texas at the Japanese Tea Garden, and let me tell you, it's super cool. Look at the fish. So we came down into the garden and there's some really nice red buds and a whole tree over here with red berries. I don't know, but if you turn around you can see like the rocks, and it's a pretty cool like little, it's lined with these really cool rocks that they've got like standing up and down. It's like all over everywhere is these rocks, and they built that cool thing over there with rocks, and you can see the vertical rocks lining the path everywhere. In the back of the garden they have this great little waterfall feature here. I'm not sure if it's man-made or natural, but it's really pretty. And I don't know, it's just really peaceful here, and the water sounds, and you can see there's a duck right over there, and turtles and flowers. We're kind of off season, but I bet it's even prettier in the flowers and things are all the highest point of the tea garden. I love you can see the bridge down here. It's got cute little 3 arches, all that cool stonework. You can see the fish are huge. One of the reasons we came here today was to eat lunch. They have, over there underneath that little pavilion, they have Jinju's tea house. And unfortunately when we got here it was closed for renovation. So that was a bummer. But anyway, hopefully we can come back and try that sometime. For some fun nature, just something like different to see in San Antonio, try out the Japanese tea garden. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you next time.